Welcome back to Dream Autos, where we bring you the latest, the boldest, and the most exciting updates in the automotive world. Today, we're diving into the highly anticipated 2026 Toyota RAV4, a compact SUV that's set to redefine what you expect from everyday driving. The Toyota RAV4 has always been a top contender in its class, known for its reliability, practicality, and smart design. But the 2026 model takes things a step further. Toyota has introduced a sleeker, more aggressive look, with a refined front grille, sharper LED headlights, and newly sculpted body lines that give it a more premium and athletic stance. Under the Yanti hood, Toyota continues to offer a variety of powertrains to meet every driver's needs. The base model comes with a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, delivering around 205 horsepower. It's efficient, responsive, and perfect for daily driving. But for those wanting more, the RAV4 Hybrid and Prime plug-in hybrid versions are back, offering not only more power, but also excellent fuel efficiency. The RAV4 Prime, in particular, boasts over 300 horsepower and can go up to 45 miles on electric power alone, making it one of the most powerful and eco-friendly options in its class. Inside, the 2026 RAV4 gets a significant tech upgrade. The new infotainment system features a 12.3-inch touchscreen with Toyota's latest software interface. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, and you'll also find enhanced voice control, cloud-based navigation, and over-the-air updates. The digital instrument cluster is now customizable, giving you more control over what you see behind the wheel. Comfort hasn't been forgotten either. Toyota has improved interior materials, with soft-touch surfaces, better sound insulation, and more supportive seats. Rear seat passengers enjoy increased legroom, and the cargo space remains one of the best in the segment, offering practicality without compromise. On the safety front, the 2026 RAV4 is packed with Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane departure alert, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. New for 2026 is an enhanced parking assist system and a driver attention monitor that helps keep you alert on longer trips. Driving the new RAV4 feels more refined than ever. Toyota has made subtle improvements to suspension and steering, making it smoother on rough roads and more confident in corners. Whether you're navigating city streets or heading out on a weekend adventure, the RAV4 delivers a balanced and enjoyable experience. Pricing hasn't been officially confirmed yet, but industry insiders expect a modest increase over the 2025 model. Still, the value remains strong, especially with the added features and improved performance. That's everything you need to know about the 2026 Toyota RAV4. A bold new design, smarter tech, better efficiency, and the same trusted reliability Toyota is known for. If you're shopping for a compact SUV, this one should definitely be on your radar. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss out on more reviews and previews right here on Dream Autos. See you next time.